MULN stock is rallying within a longer term bearish trend, and in this and in the regular session of today, the 19th of October 2022, it gained 57.12% and 646.7 million shares across the tape. So the reason for that rally is because a bankruptcy court in the US has approved its acquisition of Electric Last Mile Solutions assets in an all-cash deal, including its plant, inventory, and intellectual property. Mullen said it's a cash on hand and funding commitment of up to $240 million provides it with access of up to $275 million to close the deal. It added that Electric Last Mile Solutions plant in Indiana will help the company with the capacity to make up to 50,000 vehicles a year. So that was the news behind this rally. Looking at this chart, you won't believe the stock has actually rallied, or is rallying. That's because the bearish trend is a relentless one. It's just been retracing, since it broke above its 10 and 10, 20 and 50-day moving averages as of that happened as of sometime in June, and got a rejection at $1.58, and since that time it has been a downward trend. Yes, at various points, it's at various points as it declined, it attempted to break through its 20-day moving average, but never did it ever succeed. Just slightly above, as of mid August. So you believe that it is actually rallying. That's because it's just been so dismal. Its performance has been just so dismal for a long time now. So the short interest on the stock is, according to Fintel, is 16.6%, and off exchange short volume ratio is 25.37%. But the folks at Short Squeeze, their data is indicating that it is 12.8%, and increased by 10%. So given all of that, we still have some skepticism towards the stock. I mean, I was expecting to see a short interest that is less than what it is right now, given that it's been retracing. I mean, I wanted to conclude that maybe short sellers have totally, they've just been having an app, and probably gradually sold off, because I mean they've made their money, but that is still not the case. The short interest is still reasonable there. It's not of late in recent times 16% or 12%, not exactly one, but before short interests were this popular, 12% is absolutely exceptional, and 16% is all marvelous, let alone the highs of 50% and 60% we've been seeing in recent years. So given all of these, we are, well, you might say in this channel we are perpetually bullish. So we have a projection of $1.04 from where it is right now. So this was determined using picking it off from this resistance it had at $3.38 sometime in late March, and bringing it all the way down to where it is currently now, which is around $0.34 or $0.33. So using that Fibonacci grid, we were able to determine this projection range of between 0.33 and 3.38. So in between that, we now have the next level. We're probably expecting, if anything, that it will probably rebound to or rally towards. So let's probably have a look at the maybe 10-day chart and see what has been going on there for MULN. It's indicating that it's been rallying. So let's see whether that is let's get that. It's been rallying. Okay, so this rally actually began yesterday, the 18th. Okay, so that was when it began. So actually yesterday also printed a new 52-week low. It says here price triggered a new 52-week low event of $0.23 at 11:41 a.m. so 11:41 Was that when he printed this new low? Okay, no, actually on this day 10-day chart, that new low was actually as of 3:30 p.m. and it was from there it began to rally and rallied all the way to 3.91 as of today the 19th. So what can we see here? It appears to be rallying in here. So well, in any case, our projection 1.04, but at the same time we can actually pick what happened here, take this price of 0.356 and 0.311. So we'll find the difference between those two prices, and we might be able to find a price that is much more closer, or rather much closer to where it is right now. So that will give us 0.05. Let me get that price again. Okay, this is sorry, let's take this one. It is 56 minus 0.01. We have a difference of 0.045 multiplied by 2.618. We have 0.11. We add that to the current price of 0.34. So a much realistic price target is now what we have, 0.45. So yeah, see what you make of MULN price target. A much realistic price target, as you could just see now, is 0.45, but we have projections up to 1.04. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.